Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you what is ShopPay and how does it work. ShopPay is a way for people to pay when they shop on Shopify. It helps them to stop people from leaving their shopping carts behind by letting them pay later in installments. Plus, it makes it easy for customers to come back and shop again. If you want a simple and convenient payment option with easy installments, ShopPay is an excellent app to consider adding to your Shopify store. To integrate ShopPay into your store, you can visit the payment section and click on Visit Shopify App Store. You can easily find the Shop channel in your Shopify App Store by searching for it. ShopPay can help increase sales by enabling faster checkouts. It also offers a Track with Shop feature which can enhance trust and transparency for your customers. In addition, ShopPay allows us to customize our mobile storefront with brand-specific assets and provides personalized product recommendations to keep customers engaged and coming back. Furthermore, we can track the impact of Shop on our business using key performance analytics. ShopPay is an all-in-one platform that provides you with control to manage and optimize your brand's presence on the Shop channel. By adding ShopPay to your Shopify store, you can offer installment payment options to customers and access the analytics you need to make the data-driven decisions. It's worth noting that there is a free trial available for ShopPay. You can sign up for ShopPay using your Google account or email address. Simply provide your phone number to receive your ShopPay credentials, then connect it to your Shopify store to enable easy installments and secure payments. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.